Apple's about to drop the iPhone 17 series, and if the leaks are true, this could be one of the biggest iPhone upgrades we've seen in years. The launch is expected on September 9th, and we're getting 4 new models: the iPhone 17, the slimmer iPhone 17 Air, and of course the heavy hitters, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Now, Apple always talks speed, design, and performance, but let's be real. The camera is what everyone's watching this year. And from what we know, Apple is seriously leveling up. Here are the 5 biggest camera upgrades you need to know about. A new selfie camera. For the first time since the iPhone 11 back in 2019, Apple is upgrading the front camera. All 4 iPhone 17 models are rumored to get a 24-megapixel lens. That's double the resolution we've had for years. Translation: sharper selfies, cleaner FaceTime calls, and way better detail when you're posting on Instagram or TikTok. The Pro models are getting serious zoom power. Apple's said to be adding a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom. Think crystal clear close-ups at concerts, sports games, or even wildlife shots. Pair that with the 48-megapixel wide and ultra-wide lenses, and you've basically got a pro-level camera in your pocket. This one's big for creators. The iPhone 17 could finally let you record from the front and back cameras at the same time. Imagine filming your reaction while showing what's happening in front of you. Perfect for vlogs, live streams, or reaction videos. This could instantly make content feel more dynamic without extra gear or editing tricks. 8K video recording. Yep, the Pro and Pro Max might finally make the jump. That's double the resolution of 4K, giving insane clarity even on giant screens. For filmmakers and serious creators, this also means you can crop, stabilize, or reframe shots without losing quality. Design. The Pro models are rumored to rock a much larger camera island that stretches almost edge to edge. It's bold, it's different, and yeah, people will have mixed feelings. But it's likely needed to fit that periscope zoom lens and bigger sensors. Apple's going all in on cameras this year. Whether you're snapping quick selfies, recording your next vlog, or even shooting pro-level content, the iPhone 17 series looks built to deliver. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.